What's your name?
Arthur Lee. Well, I invented a life-saving device, but I needed good people like you guys to come out and help get it out there. 7 years ago, we had a kid die in school here, and I was here. Showed support for the mom and tried to raise awareness, and today we made a big difference. And it's an honor, and it's Police Appreciation Day, and I can't think of a better thing to do. Invented lifevac. It's a simple rescue device that if you're choking to death, it's a little plunger. You push it and pull it, and it sucks out the obstruction. I'm from New York. We make lifevac out in New York, right here in America. I'm proud to do that.
BBD?
Yes.
BBD.
Everybody say cheese!
Look at the car.
Yeah. Focus.
I do.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm Laura Major. I do community outreach and engagement for Pensacola Police Department.
Awesome. What are you doing today?
So you guys are donating lifevacs, which are choking devices, anti-choking devices for first aid kits for our officers.
I have 85 that got donated today. My plan is to roll them out to our units and way to be available.
Place it, you push it, and you pull it. You push, the air is going to vent out the side, so it won't push it in any further. And you hear that pop, that's what pulls the object out and saves a life.